DJM TV.
Okay, good morning. I quickly want to run this show. And please, people that have taken my video before putting it on Instagram, on everywhere, please, I need you to help me to share this video. Nigerian NEPA, Eco Electricity, they are killing people. And me, you know, it's unfair. If you are a NEPA officer, it's unfair when we try to build our life. When we try to build our life, when people are working, things are not easy in Nigeria. I've been in Nigeria for more. You can see the way I'm sweating. I'm just coming from the NEPA office in Nigeria. Unfortunately, I met them using gen. The so-called NEPA, gen in on low. And that is not the issue. Sabot, they brought 60,000 naira bill for me. 61,000 naira bill. I don't use anything electric. I use gas cooker. The only thing we use electric in that place is light and AC. Last month, I called them more than 4 times. 4 days, there's no light. We are using gen to power. Because I can't sleep in the heat. Now, I called them 3 months ago. When they bring 61,000 naira. I asked them, am I producing ice block? Or what is the problem? Yo, Bemoshwari sinule again saw Yoba. Tori nkan shi awon nepa lui. I want to lay lots of things. If there's light in this country, things will move forward. So we need to stand up now and start calling them. And start letting them know. People want to come back home. Light and security is the problem. Whichever they call themselves, Eco Electricity, or what are they called this time? Or what are they called? These people are not what they are, just wicked soul. I don't have my production. Deborah Killer, you guys see us. We use turning stick. We stop using the machine because when we use the machine, the cream will foam. By the time we pack it and send it, it will now sink down. So that is why we stop using the machine. This is wickedness. And I've went to their office this morning to tell them, if they don't stop bringing that stupid bill for me, 3 months ago they brought 61,000 naira. I called the accounts manager. I've told him I'm going to put his phone number on. I'll put it on Instagram. I'll put it on Facebook. I'll put it anywhere. What is their problem? Kilode, last month, I called them 2 months ago. I called them 2 months ago when they brought 61,000 to ask them, how can I use 61,000? How can I use 61,000? They said that they are sorry. Is tariff? Is this? Is that? I left it. The month that comes after it, they brought 21,000. They back down and said, it's okay. This will change. Now, the funny thing is, this morning they brought 51,000 again. So I now called the accounts manager. Agent Foruko Bola Shiri at the phone number. Because I've told him, my senior sister is laughing at me. He's always telling me about this. Yadiola is not funny, honestly. You have paid for those that have not. No, this is not. Look how I'm sweating. So I now called him this morning. I said, what happened? I paid 40,000 2 weeks ago. They said I didn't pay 40,000. I said, Deborah, oh yeah, let's go there. We went to their office. They saw the receipt that I used in paying and won't lay jati. They said, okay, that is sorted. I said, okay, now why did you guys bring 51,000? That is the problem. We keep applying for the meter, they will not give it to us. But this time, I'm going to their headquarters. I will go to their I want meter. That is the solution. They should just give me meter to avoid my trouble. Because when I start with them, I know they will give me meter. For me meter. Because you know the funniest thing is, they will not give you light. They will not give light. Last month, I called them after 4 days and said, what is the problem? 4 days. If they give us the light from Monday to Friday, from Monday to Sunday, we will not query the bill. Abroad, we pay because we have the light. Samola, I apply, they've not give me. They are not giving me the prepare meter. But I think I need to put more pressure now. I want meter. I don't care what is going to happen. I'm going to take it up to wherever I need to take it to. Because I don't understand their problem. I'm not too sure. I mean, Aja, are they under Ikeja? Please, help me, oh. Help me, oh. I don't know. I mean, Aja, oh. I don't know if they are under Ikeja, oh. I need prepare meter. Please. If you are NEPA official, I need prepare meter. I have 2 buildings. I went there to apply for the second building for them to bring bill. They asked me to bring 40,000. They said I should bring a letter before they will give me bill. I should bring letter. I should bring letter and bring 40,000 before they can even give me bill. Please, I need help if you are a NEPA official, because they are looking for my trouble. Oh. Please, oh, before they say God's will has started trouble in Nigeria, they should help me. If you are a meter officer or you are a NEPA officer, they should just please, oh, what is the fast track move do? Bribe by Nigeria, just spoil legacy. Okay, we accept to use it. Yes, it's a co-electrical. That is what is on their bill. That is their bill. They are a co-electrical distributor company or whatever. Please, if you know anybody that can help me, I don't want fraud. I don't want fraud. I need this. I need prepare meter. Seriously, I need prepare meter. I need prepare meter. If you are a NEPA official, tó bá jà mí lólè mi máa gbójú ẹ sí orí Facebook ni èmi ò rán ẹ o. Okay, Kunle Ajayi, that is them. Please, anybody know? I'm not owing them. I'm not owing them. If you know the Kunle Ajayi's number, solar is expensive for 2 buildings. But I'm going to ask, I'll start asking now. Mo wambi. Ejao. Ale kusi lo yibo. Ale kusi lo yibo. I refuse to die in abroad. I'm coming home. I'm coming home and I'm coming to stay. In Jesus' name. Amen. I'm not going anywhere. I come to stay. I want a good life for myself in my home. There's nowhere like home. I don't want to die struggling in abroad. 21 years in abroad. Don't you talking Wale? Amotimo BCW is 18 years old. I want to stay home in peace. I want to stay home in peace. So these people need to understand. People in diaspora, we want to come home. I don't want to go to residential home. I don't want people to be bringing flour for me. I don't want my children to be coming and see me 1 month. I want to come home where I will see people to talk to. So now, it's either they're here by force or by fire. because wèrè tí ma bá wọn ṣe kò ní ní pàṣì. So if you are not pure official and you are this platform and you belong to a co whatever, please, my phone number is there. You better call me because hey, okay, let's see. I will see you guys later. I will deliver your money, your lodo. Please, if you want food, you are coming abroad. Me ni polówó ọjà kí mo fẹ́ ṣe. Máa gbé Nàìjíríà ìrọ́nà pa. Mo máa gbé Nàìjíríà ìrọ́nà pa. Máa polówó ọjà. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Bọ́bọ́ ní glass.
Dáre. Ọ̀rọ̀ tìyẹn mọ́ wọ̀n bá. Kí ló ní ṣòun?
Ibi tó máa ṣe dé.
Ẹ sọ bí tẹ́ fẹ́ kó dé. Ẹ bá dẹ̀wọ̀n ike ṣe gíláàsì kó gbá yín lórí.
Your wish is his commander.
So please, if you want to come to Nigeria, I should go to their website. Thank you, darling. Mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ n kúrò lórí bí kí n tó lọ rí website wọn.
Bàbá tí wọ́n délé mi sè. Nepa, don't worry.
Don't wait until where I can't do. That is where our problem starts. We want to wait until Nigeria is better and come and join them. Who is going to fight for the betterness of Nigeria? If everybody decided to stay away, who is going to fight for the betterness of Nigeria? It's not done anywhere. We are the Nigerians. We are the one to stand up for the better Nigeria. We have been in abroad, we are the one to ask them. It's not by force. It's not by fire. It's not by insulting them. It's by asking questions. It's by asking questions. So when you say, we will leave them, we will come back when it's better. When is it going to be better? I left Nigeria 24 or 20, how many years ago? How many years ago? We have people in Diaspora that has been there for 50 years, and it's not better. It go better. Ori omo Yibo man pa social dini. Ibi tó bá ti ro kirika. It's better we join the youth and the people that are fighting to make this better. We can't just keep quiet. Even you are in London, join a group. Okay, let everybody speak out. Let us speak our mind. When we keep quiet. Thank you. I'm going to their website and make it official. Please tag the Nepa. If you know them on Facebook, help me to tag them. If I would tag for their page now, I will upload a mini video there. We can't just keep quiet. We can't just keep quiet. If we decided to stay abroad, and we have relation. My mom's live in Nigeria. My junior sister, my senior sister, my step sister. I'm 20-something. Baba mi bi omo ye to wa l'Eko ni. They are still my family. Not until they die. If it takes me to continue running video for them for 1 week, I will do it. I will be doing it. I will be doing it. If it takes me to run a video for the Eko kinikan, wallahi ma jókòó sórí mata wọn. Ma jókòó, ma gbé chair, ẹ mọ̀ mí pé tó bá kàn ma jókòó. Tó yẹ pa àwọn èèyàn ma pè mí ní down. Ma run video fún wọn, ma lórí Instagram page mi, ma run ẹ lórí Facebook, ma jókòó sórí mata wọn. Ma create 1 hour fún wọn every day. For the next 21 days mi ò ní stop. I will run video for them. I will go to the front of their office. I will record in the front of their office. If you have madness, use it in a good way. Gbogbo ja fracas, leave it. Let's fight for our Nigerians. Everybody that is doing motivational speakers on Facebook, let's leave it and fight for what is right. For 1 minute in our life. And stop saying, no, it go better, we not do it. Let's come out. Who is Nepa? Shokpa Juwaloni. They are one of us. We don't need to kill anybody or fight anybody. But let's come out. Every day, if Nepa official come, take their picture, post it. Let's start disgracing them. They will go back to the office and report. Don't touch them. Insult them with your mouth. Freedom of speech. Àwọn tó jókòó ní àsopọ̀ fẹ́ parẹ́ wọn rí parẹ́ íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì àjọ máa lò gbó ni. Íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì yìí àjọ máa lò gbó ni. Kò anybody tó lè attack me when it comes to this and now, echo light kinikon. The highest that we do is that we call me to their office and talk to me about it. And I will put it live. Kò sí bribe tó fẹ́ fún mi. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ ọlọ́dún sanjọ́rin ni mo tẹ̀lé obo mi ò ń ṣòbò tó ń dókò ṣẹ́jú. Mi ò fojú òbò jókòó. Ìdí mo fi jókòó kí lè tètè dìde. Mi ò dẹ́ kún ṣálì láàárọ̀. Máa ṣiṣẹ́ dago 12 òru, aago 12 máa jí. If you call me 1 a.m. mo wà níbi tí mo ti make recipe tí máa tún lò. Mo research lórí product tí mo tún fẹ́ ṣe ni. 6 a.m. mo ti jí. Ìyá Khalid aago mélòó mo ti jí pé yín lórí order àárọ̀ yìí. Gbogbo bó ṣe ń dáná bí mo ti jí látago 5. Mo ti ṣe prayer. Mo tún ti kò síṣẹ́. Mo ti ń send order. Mo ti ń pe trade fair. Obo mi ò ń ṣòbò tó ń mi ìfìdí mi ò dúró dọkùnrin kó fún mi lóúnjẹ. So kò sí bribe tó lè fún mi. But when it comes to speaking out, let's talk. All motivational speakers on Facebook, let's talk about things that has to do with our country. Not not fight. Sometimes let's use our initiative on a good level. We all have families back home. But Irani, ó wà lára gbogbo yín. Tèmi ṣá ní pé Èkó Electricity, if you know them, call them. If you are one of their managers, call them. If you are one of their, call them. If they bring 50 something for me again, ma fe pe paya wọn lórí bí ni. Bí bá ṣe gbé wọn ṣe pé ni mama run ẹ lórí Instagram. No nursing home. Am bọ̀ nle ita ṣe lu òyìnbó tó. Ẹ fẹ́ bá yé wa jẹ́ ni. Ara lu òyìnbó mi, weather ló jẹ́ ká fine. Àti gbó sínú. Weather ló jẹ́ ká fine. A máa jí láàárọ̀, gbọ́mọ lọ school, lọ ṣiṣẹ́, sáré wálé, dáná oúnjẹ. Vitamin C la fi ń gbéra. We are tired. We want to come home where people will help us. Where we will see our families and friends. Where we will not spend Christmas just with our children alone. Kò sí mọ́tò tó máa rìn lọ́jọ́ Christmas. It's because the ticket is high. My children want to come and I want to bring them for Christmas in Nigeria. What is wrong with everybody? Let our home be home. We want to come back home. Adema wale a ní kúsájò. Ẹ̀yin ìka burúkú yìí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó fẹ́ jọ bùnmi sùn fọ́ létí tó bá ṣe kó náà fọ́ ẹ létí padà. Á ti lù ẹ́ jù. We want to come home and we are coming home. We are not going to die in abroad. Enough of foreigner dying there. We want to come home. And we are going to come home. Ẹ fẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́. We are coming home. Kí ló dé? We lè ṣe yẹsà rówó wa ká tí wá ṣe yẹsà náà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Ẹ fún wa ní iná la béèrè. Ẹ fowó kówó epo. Ẹ fi gbogbo ẹ filé ayé ni wá lára. Kí ló dé? A ní sá lọ sọ́run àjọ máa láyé yìí ni. Àjọ máa lo ayé yìí ni. Ṣé dẹ̀ rí àwọn generation yìí? Ẹ rí. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ṣé gbọ́ ẹ múra sí? I'm waiting for the NEPA official. I'm waiting for the NEPA official. They said they are coming. They said they are coming to see me today. They should come and see me. If they bring 50 something, I will go to the front of their office. I will run a show. I will tag Instagram. I will tag anybody's tagging. And I will not stop for 1 week. Every day, in my run show for I will put their general manager, no phone number. I have it. I will put it on Facebook. I will tell you to help me to ever make me a go epa. In everywhere I know, in abroad, I've been abroad for over 20 years. The people, is the bosses that will fight for their staff. Ọ̀gá ló máa ń jà fún àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ wọn, kò ń ṣàwọn eléyìí, àwọn olè jati. For us to get ordinary bill in this building, they're asking for 40,000 naira bribe. Mo yá wá sí ti máa ṣe ìlú òyìnbó kí n tó rí 40,000, €100 kí n tó rí 40,000 pa ní rẹ́sítọ́ráǹtì ìyá Khalidi. Owó ó dín ní ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti ìpa 40,000 lójúmọ́. Ẹ wá ní kẹ́mi kó 40,000 wá nítorí ẹ máa fún mi mítà. Ara ló máa pa jọ̀wọ́n etí yín. Làbámbà don't start this morning. Èkó máa change topic Èkó electrical. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, ẹ bá mi tag Wálé Edmond àbí Túndé Edmond. Ẹ bá mi tag gbogbo àwọn bloggers. Ẹ bá mi tag anybody taggable. Ta ló fẹ́ bá jà? Ibi tá ti.
Auntie bó láti máa lọ jà. Auntie,
ọmọ gẹ̀rí okó ní ìmárí.
Ọdún tí kò wọlé gùn.
Labamba, you can see how I'm sweating. Àwọn wèrè jati, àwọn ẹranko. I will put their number up. their guy, the first one that the Tabot building. I know how much I paid him. I will put his number up. Their guy in Ajah NEPA office, money number. I will put it up. I will sit on their matter. I will eat on their matter. My joke sorry now for 24 hours. By me one fair ball me. My pin number one debiti. Kini one day. The funniest thing, last month I called them more than 6 times. 4 days at the row. You know, I worked the 50 something. I might just shake me. I report burukula people. I bought share me. 51,000. I go make a lead. 51,000. Oh, what I feel petrol, your man, anyone. Let me leave it for now. If not, I will bring them. I've told them. I'm end every time I reset here. When people call me, hey, don't talk. Kilo J. Wicked people. You have money for diesel, you buy big gen in your house. And still, people that don't have that much. Oh, to need big ayo. I want car. Please, I will go back. I'm releasing new products on Saturday. Leave me alone. My 5D is coming out on Saturday. Malato 5D. Cream soap is coming out on Saturday. On Sunday, I'm releasing my 7D whitening oil. 7 days whitening oil. Super extreme. Oh yeah, wear your trousers, Daddy. Let's go and beat them. Yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, Daddy, my darling sister. Ed Nepa, hashtag. If they see that one must stand on it. One, you will not believe it. They've not come and cut lights in Nigeria for the last 2 months since NSAS. NEPA have not carried ladder in this area. We already want. Guys, I have to go. I have a delivery. God bless you guys. I want to quickly say a very big thank you. One of my sister, I've not met her before. She's coming from London, so she ordered. She's coming with the children. So we're delivering food for them. They just came in this morning. They ordered Inyo for 6 people, Ogufe, Tilapia, and we're preparing that to deliver now. So I'm going. Where anyone business here collapse rara. I tire me when we pay 50,000 a month, alone salary alone. I have to go now. God bless you.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates have asked their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.